Thank you, Tito Jai, Tita AJ, Tita Sam. I really love these. I really love this. I love the expensive things, and I will show you this how to play with this. We're starting with this already. This dangerous plastic got out, but nothing. It's already removed up. First, I'm gonna show you how to play this. This one smells so good. Smells like lollipop in the world. And you just see, can crack. Doesn't collect the sky right here. It's only a Shopkins. And more Shopkins things here. That's put on. And here's our pair, Sticky. And he's a buzzy ears and buzzy tails. Oh, so yummy. I received the cold one. And here he is. And here he is. I'm gonna show. Oh, smells like grapes. So yum. The next bowl good kick. Olive grapes. Kick. And here he is. It is like that. So this is so yuck. Look at that face. Look at that face. What are you doing? And another line bug here is the color changing pets. It's a reindeer cat. So here it is. He already changed color. I already tried it. Dark blue to light blue like this. You cannot see his face. And here's another color change. It transforms blue tapos yellow here. And look, it's a little bird. It's a keychain. Look. Tweet. Far away. And that's it. Wait, we still have one more, nothing. So here all the pets we got. 1,099 too, but it's still pixie. First, I gotta show you now this now. Okay, so only got to do is just one key left, and only you got to do like this. You just insert right in here, see? And you open it and you unlock the password. See? I told you so. It's nothing broken or something. See? There, okay, cute. And our puppy. Cute. A little puppy. And a little you can also like this and like that. You can get it, you can do something. And another one, here is another key. Insert right in here. Another second floor. Like this. See? I told you so. And I already know the name is Ban Ban. The little pussy buyer. Gaga. And here's another one. A sliding tree. And a little space here, small. And a little stairs and some makeup. I don't know what's next. And some stairs. And another stairs. You can also stand. And you can put the dolly here to ganito. Is voila. Okay. And here we have hero. Watch this. We can also like this rock chair. See? And And you can stack your dolls here if you want just small tiny little things. And this is what you call a doll, and you can play here too. Watch this. Did you see that? And look. All I have to do is just that. And look. See? Is it tiny? Better than you can like this. See? Is that how you play? It's so funny. Okay. It's kinda look like funnier or something. But that's the wrong way. Dapat you should fix. And the last one I can show you. This is the right place. Look, is even a slide. This is the slide. Do you remember it? Here's the cup key and leg. And that is so pretty. Look, there's a cupcake, oranges, everything you need, and a bed. Orange cupcake. And it can also slide. Wait a minute. I will just open the cage. Did you hear that sound? It's just a toy. Like that. Watch this. Watch this will come out. Oh, he did to shouldn't. Oh, stuck up. Oh no. Okay, I can still get it out. See? You cannot slide. You see it? No. You can also like this. Watch this. See? Magic. And that's it. And I'll show you this like this. The real. So jelly, what is this? Not so hard. And that's it. Upside down house. What is this upside down like this? What? Are you serious? And here's the cashier. Like that cute little things and tools. Stairs. This is a stairs, not the drawer. You can go up and up right in here. And that's everything. Ooh, a carrot and a sticker, windows, and here and bonbon, the chimney, the windows, patinano, does you have a roof, we not painted up. Yeah, give one. Yeah. And also these you can keep your keys here. Like that. Oh, it's not stick enough. That's okay. You can have just the yellow like this. See? Ta-da! And I'll show you this the fun last thing on the show. Like these towels, but it's only a prizes. Second one is hearts, madami hearts, and I love you. Okay, that's funny words. And purple, pink, and white, and also a towel part you can take a bath. Ooh, colorful design. And that's it. And my Tita Bell gave me this. And my pajamas too. And my earphones my mother gave me. Thank you for giving gift, Tita Jai and Tita Sam, Tita EJ, and all of you, and Tita Bell. I all of you to be sending for you like this video. Give a thumbs up and get that show I see. Bye bye. Joshua. Bye. Thank you for watching my video.